Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to activate voice message on iPhone. So if you want to activate voice message on your iPhone or you want to send voice note on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to activate voice message on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Now once you select the general, on the general page, you want to scroll down the page and click on keyboard. Now once you select the keyboard, scroll down the keyboard page and enable dictation. So go ahead and turn on dictation. If dictation is turned off, go ahead and then tap enable dictation to turn on dictation on your iPhone. So once you're done, go ahead and open the iMessage application. And once you open the iMessage application, you want to open the chat where you want to send voice message. So once you open the chat where you want to send voice message, then you should see the dictation icon at the bottom right. Then go ahead and click on that. Now to send voice message on your iPhone, all you just need to do is locate the mic icon on iMessage, and if it is not there, just come here and click on the mic icon. Once you hear a chime, then you should see the voice message typing itself automatically. So this is exactly how you can easily turn on dictation to enable voice message on your iPhone, either on iOS 18 or earlier model. Once you're done, just go ahead and tap the microphone icon again. Then you can just read through the message and then hit the send button. That is it. And you can also send a voice message, which is like a voice memo. To do this, just come here and click on the plus icon, then tap audio message. So once you click on audio, you'll be able to record your audio just like this and send it on your iPhone to iMessage users. So that is basically how to activate voice message on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.